100% on our way to the moon.
Moontrain's on point, we're in the groove, trading like a symphony.
The Dow is over $50,000. I don't know why you're laughing. You're a great stock trader.
We're on the moon train.
Then we watched you guys land on the moon.
No, you did.
This is how you become a day trader.
All right. Well, yesterday we had a massive rally, caught 910% on those 752s. I think they ran like 50 and 100%, but either way, that was good enough for me. With that said, as you can see, the NAMO moved a little bit. So the question now becomes, what we need to watch out for tomorrow is, will this go for all-time high in one straight line or not? We covered this in the market analysis. We had option A, B, and C. The interesting thing here to note is, let me just mute this here. The interesting thing here to note is that we have come back and almost filled the gap from here. Like, that's where we gapped. So tomorrow, for the rally to continue, you need over this high fairly early on, and after that, if that hits, I am not doing much at all for close and open. And the reason is FOMC, so the IB, everything's gonna start getting mispriced, and we have the expiration this week, and we have OPEX. And JD Vance said that Trump might reveal the peace deal before Friday, whatever that means. I maybe specifics, I don't know. So my plan is, once this is then gap filled or sold into here on FOMC, I mean, it can be pretty swift, then I will long in the money over the 3-day weekend. I do think that once this deal is wrapped up, it's gonna get a pop and then sell the news. So right now, watching if this makes a cup, what part it pulls back at. Again, the NAMO can still go up here if it chooses to. The puts and the calls kind of bounced back, which is interesting. And again, how we played it yesterday was there wasn't much to do after that initial ripper. So I got off a voice with Todd because it was very apparent after this double top that we were just gonna do this, right? So this was a bullish pattern. It should have gotten a high in the final hour. It didn't. For this to continue, you need over here early on, otherwise it's not happening. Something else I'm looking at is obviously Apple. Since Apple can go counter market, that works both ways too. It did have a pop up to here overnight, which is interesting. As you can see here, plenty of goes to the downside everywhere. So my question right now regarding Apple is, that has obviously filled. Will these fill before this guy? This is really what I'm chasing on it, right? So as of right now, it's still consolidating actually. So looking to see if it busts a move at some point. As far as MU and this other stuff, I'm not really playing. I mean, you can't really play it here. It's barely moving, and was in hood real quick. Sold that here. Took some BABA overnight. Not the greatest look right now, but I didn't need to take it, but I guess I took it just to see if like Asia follows suit. And South Korea did, but not Hong Kong. So very, very interesting to follow along and see kind of how, if they're selling into this rally, which they currently are, but maybe this turns around. Also noting that the banks are still very, very strong here. and also the reason why I'm going to be a little careful the next 2 days is not only to protect gains, but this thing is now almost at 3 trillion, right? So it is pulling liquidity from all of these other guys that did the rally but then went nowhere fast. So be very cautious. QQQ Dark Pool still there. Here you can kind of see we have a ghost there, and we have a ghost there, and we have a ghost there. We have that Apple ghost up to there still, but they're still in it. They haven't like sold it off. I mean, clear rotation here in between stuff, so very inconclusive. And we have Bank of Japan hiked. Everybody knew that was coming. That does not mean like that sell doesn't still come. Do you understand? So tomorrow, building permit, housing stats, then pretty much nothing. I'm gonna probably, I don't know if I'm even gonna trade. Stay out of that and this until we kind of see what the messaging. It's not about the rate here. I don't think they do anything, but about unless you get a surprise cut to you, rip. Okay, but I don't think they're gonna do anything. And yeah, then Thursday again, maybe long in the money. Anyways, guys, thank you all, and I'll see you tomorrow.